Fistinio got to 30 degrees, and tomorrow we may break another record. If Cardiff can scrape another 1 degree, get to 34, that's 93 Fahrenheit, that too will be their highest July temperature. It wasn't that way everywhere though. For instance, in Belfast it was cloudier today and it kept it a good deal cooler. Along the east coast too, with the wind coming in from the sea, it was also a good deal cooler. In fact, in Fahrenheit terms, there's about a 25-degree difference, so that's quite remarkable. Now we are going to see things changing already. You'll notice there's low pressure developing to the south of us over France. We have low pressure coming down from the north too. The two are going to combine together in one large area of low pressure. That's going to change the weather. It's going to bring along some thundery rain, and then it's going to bring along less settled conditions for the rest of the week. Also a change of wind direction, so we will see things getting somewhat cooler and fresher. Now at the moment there's a band of cloud down the west. It's been there all day and it's been giving 1 or 2 showery bursts of rain. It's not going to move all night really, and for much of the country it is going to be dry and clear. There could well be 1 or 2 mist and fog patches at the end of the night, and still some of that fog rolling onto the coast there of eastern Scotland. Temperatures in eastern parts of the country dipping down 12 or 13 degrees, but it's going to stay quite warm and sticky in the west under those outbreaks of rain and the area of cloud. And then tomorrow for much of the country it's going to be another dry day, sunny too, pretty hot in most places. Some of these eastern coastal areas again plagued with some mist and keeping a bit cooler. And again in the west you'll find more in the way of cloud. There'll be little bits and pieces of sunshine, but equally I think we'll find some showery bursts of rain. Some of them could be heavy and thundery, and we're also going to find some more thundery bursts of rain beginning to develop to the south of us late in the day and starting to push across the Channel and into parts of southern England. But as I said, it's going to be a pretty hot day tomorrow. We could see 33, even 34 degrees. It stays cooler though along that eastern coast. We can't have everything, because with the hot weather we're having a high pollution index in the south. This is mostly ozone. We also have a high pollen index, and of course it goes without saying that we have a high sun index too. But the big problem really is that heavy and thundery rain. Met Office has a weather watch at the moment of this rain spreading northward, starting tomorrow night through into Wednesday, and it could well be that we get some torrential downpours and a risk of local flooding. But for most northern parts, I think on Wednesday, staying in the clear, another fine and warm day, that is, away from the cooler and rather misty coast. But by the time we move into Thursday and Friday, we'll see somewhat cooler weather in most parts of the country with some showery bursts of rain. A very good night.